honestly, I wasn't surprised Manchester United losing to Liverpool 7-0. If you saw what was happening behind the scenes, you would be fucking horrified. One time I saw Jadon Sancho stuff 10 ounces of meth up his ass. When looking at him, he just winked at me and replied saying, "You know my thing." I was even more horrified when I found out Ten Hag cooked that batch of meth and gave to Sancho to sell. But I'm happy that Liverpool made them their bitches and paying tribute to me by scoring 7.
Umajo, Apagme, Nebe Monobalo Kenje Keneba, Loto, Apagme, Nebe